friends, hi shopping buddies. Today we're going to be browsing Walmart. Come on in, let's go shopping. $9.96. So these are what they have up front. I like this shorts right here. Isn't this cute? $17.50. Have back pockets. And look, these those shorts are made in New York, and also the dresses. And the dresses are $20. They have different colors, different style. This is 3X. These over here are $26. And they have the polka dots, floral. Oh, look at these shorts. These are rollback. $9 for these shorts. I love that color right there. These are cute. Oh, they have back pockets too. Those are cute. So they have a big sale. The bathing suits are still $16. Mix and match. And they have the one piece here. I like this. One shoulder. That's cute. These are $22. And the cover up are $15. Leopard print is nice. And they have some stripes and some solids. This is a terry material. And it got a hood. Yes. So I'm gonna walk around today and see what's new. These two-piece short sets are cute. That's the top and that's the bottom. And they are $14.98. Also comes in black and white. I like the blue and white. These are also two-piece short set. Elastic, and that's the front of the shorts. That's another print. That's pretty, and they also have it in stripe and another floral. That's a pretty color. Oh, they are fully stocked on these tops. They're $2.98. I just got a pink. And these are like the neutral tones over here with a pretty blue. $2.98. Dresses over here for $17.98. High-low. I like the blue. Isn't the blue pretty? Oh, and it's lightly padded. Oh, I like these jumpers over here. Very nice. I like the floral. They have a tie in the front. And it got elastic, so it will stretch. $17.98. Let me take the stripe one down. Oh, and the back is open. Nice. $17.98. So we are still in the junior department. Look at these nice tops. I like this one. And they also come in white. $14.98. Look at these cute shorts. $11.98. Pink. Yep, $11.98. Look at the purple. Beautiful. These are some cute little tops too. $10.98. They also have it in green. These are no boundary shorts. $10.88. These are cute. High rise skinny. Now they have the rompers now for $15. So over here is the ladies department, and they have the leggings for $7. These are all the beautiful colors they have. Oh, the snake print is cute. And then they have the tie and dye. I like this zebra print. So all these shorts over here are rolled back. They have some for $13.98 and some for $16.98. And these are $15.98. So now I'm in the plus size department, and they have some Scoop design over here. This is the brand Scoop. This is a nice top. That's the back. And the price for this is $28. I like this black right here. Peplum, I think they will call it. Yep. $26. Oh, look at this. The back is cute. And this right here is a dress. And tie around the waist. I don't see a price on this. So that's the back. Oh, and this is another style. $35. And this is also Scoop. This is nice. The material is thick. $40. Elastic in the back. Oh, this is a nice jumper. Let's see the price for this. $40. I had seen this yellow dress before. Let's see the price. $34. And there's a white dress behind these. I want to see it. Oh, high-low. Put that back up. And it also comes in orange. And these dresses are $40. This off-the-shoulder one. I had shown this before. Also comes in a pink and polka dot. $40. Oh, I like this black and white polka dot. $40. Oh, they have the dress to the top I had shown before. They have some pretty dress today. Oh, the back is cute. The back is cute. I like that. $40. And they also have it in the plain red. Yeah, the back is cut out. These are some pretty dresses. I like these tops over here and skirt by Scoop. This is very nice. See the price. $28. And it have a lining inside. There's another color here. I prefer this color. Yellow with pink and green. Nice. See the lining? The lining is pink. But look, they have the skirt to go with it. Look at the bottom of the skirt. And the skirt is $34. Let me see what this black and white is right here. It's a cute little top. Black and white. And you have a little tie. Oh, you can adjust it. That is nice. $26. And at the bottom they have some shorts. These are free assembly shorts for $18. Let's look around here. Oh, they have the black and white skirt to go with the top. You have elastic in the waist. $34 also. Oh, I like this blue and white by Scoop. This is a nice blue and white dress. Ooh. Can get some cute stuff at Walmart. Let's find the price for this dress. I don't see a price on it. In this area, these are free assembled tops. And the back is an X. Let's see the price. And this is thick material. $15. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It also comes in black and white. So this is a free assemble, like a t-shirt dress, V-neck front and V-back. And let's find the price for it. Okay, $24. And they have some striped top and bottom over here. Mix and match. So the tops are $16 and the shorts, and these are like terry material, $14, real soft. These beautiful dresses right here are by Sofia Vergara. This is a pretty pink. And the top, you can adjust it because it's tied. Have elastic around the back. And these are $36. They have it in a beautiful pink print. This is so pretty though. I love the pink. This is another style. $36 too. I prefer the plain pink in this color right here. This is another print, different style, also $36. No. That one is my favorite, the pink. If you're still looking for beach bags, colorful totes, I like these. These are $22.98. Oh, look at the pink one. Oh, the blue over here is, let's see the price for this one. This one is much bigger. This one is $15.98 and you have a zip at the bottom. Those are good for traveling. Pretty pink. One size, $15.98. They also have it in the mesh. Let's see what price the mesh is. $7.98. And they have a pouch inside. No, it's just a pocket. The orange is pretty too. These are pretty big. These sandals look new. So these are $25. Pink, white. I like this style. I prefer this one though. $25. Oh, they even come in blue. They feel pretty soft. These are made in New York, $22, wide width. Nice, I like them. These are also salmon Libby. So this is a different style. They come in wide width. Great, $16. I love this purple one. These are $25. They have a yellow. Feel like velvet. $25. We have seen the white before. Also comes in black. And they have a nude color at the bottom. I like this. Made in New York. $24. And these are $14.98 time and true. And the white ones are $19.98. This nude color is very nice. They are $14.98 time and true. Oh look, they have the fans and AC out. So these are pocket carabiner fan for $2.98. Green and purple. This is a necklace fan for $10.86. I like these misting one for $9.87. So they have it in blue and pink. Oh, look at this little one. I love the purple. $10.88. These are nice to put on the desk. $6.96. These are $11.47. Look at this colorful one. You can just clip it onto your desk. $11.97. Ooh, these are $15.87. Look at all these pretty colors. $12.96. Wow. All different price ranges. $16.96. Honeywell. Very pretty. These are $17.92. Oh, high velocity 20-inch, $64.87. This fan is real hot. Lasco in black. I've never seen the black before. $24.96. These are tower fan, $24.86, and these are also tower fans. So the Lasco wind curve is for $79.84, and this is $59.86. Better Home Gardens, $22.46. Look, they have rollback and AC. $154. It was $172. 5,000 BTU, and these are 6,000 BTU for $216. Oh, this is a 14 feet pool for $277, and they're going fast. Walmart have some beautiful beach towels. These are $9.96, and the price ranges. These are so pretty. These are $14.92. These are much bigger. Better Homes and Garden. So that's it for today. Thank you for coming along. Be safe. Stay blessed.